How to set up proxy in Dolphin with proxy302.com. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOX 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the Dolphin. First, click Create Profile on the top to create a proxy setting. After customizing the browser profile name, we scroll down and click the middle button New Proxy. Then, we paste the proxy information copied Proxy302. We click Test Proxy to make sure proxy available, and click Create to save with correct. Now, click the Start button to open browser that was just created. Wait for a minute, then turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.